Do you wish to have silky, smooth and bouncy hair? Who doesn't? But first dump those expensive chemical-based shampoos and conditioners. Here we are with a beautiful homemade remedy to give you silky and smooth hair. One mashed banana. To this add half spoon of almond oil. Half cup milk. Now mix it well and make a smoothie. Apply this smoothie on your dry and frizzy hair. Keep it for 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. And then use any organic shampoo that suits you. Hope these remedies benefit you in staying beautiful and young.